Hi everyone, welcome to the first lesson of our course. So in the previous lesson I discussed everything with you, the aspects that are involved in this course, the motive of this course. So let's begin with the first category of learners. It's the beginners. Beginners include everybody who has just started using the website or the Unacademy app, and also the ones who are just beginning to learn how to get better with their spoken English. Okay, so in this lesson I am going to tell you which courses and which educators you should follow. Though we are regularly updating courses, but till date the courses and educators we have on the platform who have worked really well on this for the beginners, I am going to tell you in this lesson. So the next time any beginner who reaches to Unacademy can watch this lesson and take help in knowing the courses without searching much. Okay, so this course is basically for the ultimate need of viewers. I have received so many requests from Quora and everywhere to get it more categorized. Before it happens on the website and the app, this course is going to help you in knowing the list of courses and educators you should follow according to your interest. Okay, so this is for the beginners, and let's begin. This course is presented by me, Harshita Jain. This is something about me. If you want to follow my courses, you can follow me on Unacademy on this link. This is my profile link, and for any queries, write in the comment section or in the Q&A section. Please do not forget to rate and review the course so that I can know what you feel about the course, if it is helpful to you or not. And do recommend each lesson that you like. If you feel that this lesson is helpful for the people coming on this website, please recommend this lesson. Here is the recommend option. Okay, so the educators and the courses we'll have simultaneously. The first educator that I'm going to recommend, and I'm telling you that has worked on spoken English for beginners, is Reema Bahel. You can follow her, and she has made some really good courses. One of such courses is Fun Ways to Learn New Words for Everyday Communication. Now when you say everyday communication, it's understood that it's going to be for the people who have started learning, who are just taking the initial steps. So this course is again for all, and where we talk about this course, the speciality of this course is that she has introduced some really fun ways. It's not something boring, and she explains you good tricks and good ways to learn new words for your everyday communication. So anyone who has just begun learning English can watch this course, and I think it's a very short course, just 9 lessons, and I don't know if it's even for a complete hour learning the watching time, so you can go through it once. The next course in the list is again by Reema Bahel, and the course is Become a Brilliant English Speaker Using These Tips and Tricks. Now, this course may not be for the ultimate beginners, but for the people who are not at the intermediate level itself can watch this course. And again, she has introduced you with some ways you can improve the way you talk in English, and it has some idiom lessons, idiomatic expressions and everything. It's a complete good collection. So this course is again for you all. Okay, the second educator in the row is Palak Sharma. She's still a very active educator on the platform, and she keeps making courses, so you can follow her. Till date, she has made this course, Learn Easy Day-to-Day Conversations in 30 Days. Now, as you just see this 30 days tag, so it was a daily course. It was so now it's completed, and it has 31 lessons, so you can now keep it as your daily course. Like, you can watch one lesson today and the next lesson tomorrow, and then day after day, like that. And she has introduced again very simple ways of how to communicate in English in your easy conversations. Now, day-to-day conversations, you're talking to somebody and she has begun with this point zero. As you know, this is what the beginners are going to take help from, and it's completely from the beginner's point of view. She starts with the lesson where you can learn to say hello. So I think it's the first lesson is about different expressions regarding saying hi or hey. So she begins with the ultimate 0 point basic point, and then she takes it to different expressions related to different situations, so different conversations. So you can go through this course is again very helpful for the beginners, right? And you can follow her on the platform and the app as well to get some more interesting courses that she makes in the future. Okay, so this is my course, and this course is again Mastering Everyday Conversational English, short course and very similar to the previous course by Palak. It starts with the art of greeting others in English, and understanding greeting expressions, and then introducing yourself. So again, I have just started with the very beginning point, and we have taken it to the point you feel a change in yourself. Okay, so after you complete the course, you definitely learn many words and many expressions and phrases regarding different things and different aspects that are involved in your daily conversation. So again, it is a very helpful course for the beginners. So you can follow me on Unacademy if you want to learn more about English, and majorly I work in spoken English. I've been making courses in conversational English only, but this is the course for beginners. So as this lesson is primarily for the beginners, this course is again very helpful to you. So when I'm telling you this courses, just go and have a look whichever course you prefer, and like this course and Palak's course have almost the same content, but there are again, this course has 13 lessons where she has explained each and everything, and it is a comprehensive course of 31 lessons. So you can watch whichever you like, and for very good knowledge you can watch both of them, right? All right. The next course is again Conversational English by me, phrases and expressions for different situations. Again, it is with 13 lessons, and this is a very specific course, and this it has very very specified situations like going to a restaurant, ordering a meal, how to say this, how to say that when you are at a shopping mall or somewhere. So it is completely a situational based course, and it has different expressions, list of expressions and phrases you can use when you're doing something or the other thing. So this course is again a very short and crisp course for you to know different expressions. So you can watch this course as well. This course is again by me, Daily Learning, Achieving Expertise in Conversational English. This is again a daily course, so it has 30 lessons, and it has again a very very different aspects, not only for the beginners, but for everyone who want to watch, who want to learn who want to get better at spoken English. So you can watch this course. It has business communication lessons in each and everything, collocations, and much more it is attached to it. So you can go through this. The next is very 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 beginner. This is for the ultimate beginners. 80 useful sentences for speaking English. This is by Deep Darshan, and he has made an awesome course. He's used the technique of explaining you the sentences using different tenses. So you can go through this course again. The next is knowing contractions. Now how to speak a fluent English. This is the course about that, and again a very brilliant educator, Prasanta Mehtani. So you can go through this course as well. It tells you about how you can use contractions and speak English with flow and ease. So do go through it. Next is by Abhishek, and the course is Learning Spoken English Using Innovative Methods. He has used some awesome methods to explain you how you can improve your conversational English, right? The next course is again for the ultimate beginners and majorly for the Hindi speakers, Spoken English Tutorials for Beginners by Palak Jain. Now in this course, she helps you again with the tenses, articles and everything. Though she has taken you to learn spoken English, and again very specialized for beginners. And next course is 30 Days to Better English, Learn to Speak and Write More Effectively by Norman Lewis. Now, this is a book summary, and this book is very awesome. And Binati Sheth, it's by Binati Sheth. So, and she has explained it very, very well. She has summarized the book and explained each and everything really well. Though it is a long course, it is a lengthy course, as it is a complete book summary, but it is very, very effective when it comes to its quality and its effectiveness on you and your skills. So do watch it. These were the courses for the beginners. In the next lesson, I'm going to tell you the series in which you should watch these courses to get the effectiveness at its best. And thanks for watching this lesson. Again, if you feel this is very helpful to you, so please rate and review the course and recommend the lessons. If you have any questions, write in the comment section or at Unacademy Digest. Bye bye.